Vinny, the greatest of all Texas here, about to do an unboxing of the Solo Stove grill. And right now, I'm in the garage, but it just got delivered today, it just touched down. Super excited to open it up. You know me, I love grilling. And if you look back at some of my first roots of my own grill, not the one my dad owned, look right here. See, I got that little mini Weber. Then I moved up to a bigger Weber, and now we're moving to the big dog Solo Stove grill. So stay tuned, check it out. You're gonna want to see this. So if you look right here, here's the Solo Stove box for the grill. It just came in and it weighs pretty heavy. It's about 56 pounds, it said, so something that's not light, but it has a lot of good contents inside this box. So let's just flip that over real quick. If you look, you got what's included. You have grill tools, and then you have the grill shelter along with a grill pack, which is like some charcoal, probably coal lump, but I'll show you later, and a couple of starters, which I already got my hands on those starters, and like at first they're kind of slow to start up, but once they do, they really get your stuff going quick. So if you look right here, you got the Solo Stove grill with the lid and then the stand. This is the ultimate bundle. Now, some of the things that they're going to highlight on the outside of the box: has an easy setup, takes just 5 minutes with 6 bolts, so we'll see how quick that is. It burns hotter, holds ideal cooking temperatures for up to 45 minutes. Signature 360 airflow design, which is in all the Solo Stoves, and that creates a convection heating environment inside the grill, so it's supposed to burn hotter and get your fire going quicker, and cooks faster. So from the box to burger in 30 minutes. We're trying to beat that today, so let's check it out. So we're gonna look inside to see what contents are included in the box. It says right here, a tall stand charcoal start or set. So you have your grill shelter, which is going to help cover it while it's outside. If you're going to leave your grill in the patio or just outside of your house, it's going to help protect it from the elements. And then you have the Solo Stove grill tools, which is going to have like tongs, your hamburger patty flipper, and like a poking stick, which I really like the Solo Stove design on there. They're made from stainless steel for maximum durability, so we're gonna really has a carrying case too, so that's nice. So that way you don't have to like leave them just laying out anywhere. This is a little handle and aluminum strays to prevent water from pooling on top, so that's nice of the case. This is the actual grate that goes in the grill. Pretty cool. They give you a small bag, Solo Stove, all natural charcoal briquettes. Next is a little mini pack of the Solo Stove starters. Now, this is a lot better way than using like lighter fluid. It's going to be less chemicals you're putting in there, but this is just a little starter pack. So if you actually buy the larger package from Solo Stove, it's going to include a whole lot more than this. These are not edible. That's going to have like your vent. I might just take this. Oh yeah, it's pretty nice. So it feels very good on the top, like really, like it's gonna withstand any elements. Take this off the lid in case you want to let out some ventilation, some smoking chips in there. Sweet. And that's a little hook on the side, so you can hang it on the side of the lip of your Solo Stove if you don't want to put it on the ground. Inside the packaging, we got your starter setup manual. Pretty much tells you what bolts you need to put in there. This is going to be your hardware, your bolts included, and then this is the actual Solo Stove grill. So this is going to be like what you put on the bottom of the grill, catches all of like your ash, and it's going to be placed with the briquettes on top of that grate. pretty nice, premium stainless steel. So now, let's get this set up and start grilling. And last but not least, these are the actual legs that are gonna hold up your solo stove. And this is what you're gonna use those bolts. So this is on the other side of the box. So we're gonna go ahead and take those out and then put them together and get the grill standing. So right now, we're gonna start trying to do the setup, which here's the instructions on what's in the box stand assembly. And this is a small tool that they'll provide you with the bolts. So I mean, it should be fairly simple on building the stand and basically just setting the solo stove on there. This right here is going to be your yoke plate. They're basically the same. So you got these stands right here that are going to come together. So what you're supposed to do on these stand legs right here, you remove this orange cap right here, and it's better with two hands, and then you remove this bottom cap right here. So once you do that, the smaller portion up here is going to slide into this right there, and then the bottom portion will slide into there. And you see those little screws, little holes? What you'll do is you'll use the smaller 8mm bolt for the top one. So once that slides in, you just finger tighten it into that, and then the longer one will go on the bottom. So I'll show you right now how that's done. So slide that in right there. You can flip this over, and you can see this small one goes right there. And then this one goes on the bottom one. So this is where you're going to use this tool to just crank these up. Nice and tight. Check the bottom ones. Not too bad. Stand is done. That's pretty much it. Grill to the top. Voila.